Dear children, in this class we are going to discuss about lithium ion battery. Before going to lithium ion battery, we should know what is battery. Two or more electrochemical cells electrically interconnected, each of which contains two electrodes, that is one is anode, another one is cathode, and an electrolyte between them. The redox, that is oxidation reduction reactions that occur at these electrodes convert electrochemical energy into electrical energy. In everyday usage, battery is also used to refer to a single cell. The solid state batteries are the batteries in which the electrolyte is in solid state, which is responsible for the conduction of ions from one electrode to other electrode, that is from anode to cathode. In 18th century, Alessandro Volta invented the first modern battery. Let us see about types of batteries. Basically, batteries can be classified as two types. One is primary battery, another one is secondary battery. First we will see about primary battery. In primary batteries, the electrochemical reaction is not reversible, that is it cannot be rechargeable. During discharging, the chemical compounds are permanently changed and electrical energy is released until the original compounds are completely exhausted. Thus the cells can be used only once, so it cannot be rechargeable. So it is a primary battery. Second one is secondary battery. In secondary batteries, the electrochemical reaction is reversible and the original chemical compounds can be reconstituted by the application of an electrical potential between the electrodes injecting energy into the cell. That is, it can be rechargeable. Such cells can be discharged and recharged many times. Let us see about lithium battery. Lithium is the lightest of metals and it cannot float on water. The electrochemical properties of lithium are excellent and it is also a highly reactive material. These properties gives lithium the potential to achieve very high energy and power densities in high density. It is used in high density battery applications such as automotive and standby power. Lithium batteries are primary batteries in which lithium metal or lithium compound act as a anode. A lithium cell can produce voltages from 1.5 volt to 3 volt based on the types of material used. Let us see the types of lithium based batteries. There are two types of lithium based batteries. One is lithium battery, another one is lithium ion battery. In lithium batteries, a pure lithium metallic element is used as anode. These types of batteries are not rechargeable. In lithium ion batteries, lithium compounds are used as anode. These batteries are known as rechargeable batteries. Therefore, lithium ion batteries are considered as best than pure lithium based batteries. Let us see the principle of working of lithium ion battery. During the charge and discharge process, lithium ions are inserted or extracted from interstitial space between atomic layers within the active material of the battery. Simply, the lithium ion is transversed between anode and cathode through lithium electrolyte. Since neither the anode nor the cathode materials essentially change, the operation is safer than that of lithium metal battery. See the working diagram of the lithium ion battery. There will be a positive, that is anode, and there will be a negative, that is cathode. In between there will be a electrolyte, that is a lithium ion electrolyte. Thus charging and discharging can take place. Let us see the construction of lithium ion battery. Lithium ion cell has a 4-layer structure. A positive electrode made with lithium cobalt oxide has a current collector made of thin aluminum foil, that is cathode. A negative electrode made with specialty carbon has a current collector of thin copper foil, that is anode. A separator is a fine porous polymer film. An electrolyte made with lithium salt in an organic solvent. The electrolytes are selected in such a way that there should be an effective transport of lithium ion to the cathode during discharge. The type of conductivity of electrolyte is ionic in nature rather than electronic. Let us see the working of lithium ion batteries. The traditional batteries are based on galvanic action, but lithium ion secondary battery depends on intercalation mechanism. This involves the insertion of lithium ions into the crystalline lattice of the host electrode without changing its crystal structure. These electrodes have two key properties. One is the open crystal structure, which allow the insertion or extraction of lithium ions, and the second is the ability to accept compensating electrons at the same time. Such electrodes are called intercalation host. The chemical reaction that takes place inside the battery is as follows. During the charge and discharge operation, LiCoO2 plus C6. One is anode, another one is cathode. There will be a charging and discharging will takes place with the lithium ion cells. Therefore, we will get the Li1 minus X CoO2 plus C6Lx. The lithium ion is inserted and exerted into the lattice structure of anode and cathode during charging and discharging. During discharge, current flows through external circuit and light glows. During charging, the electrons flows in the opposite direction. Working of lithium ion batteries, that is the crystal structure. During charging, lithium in positive electrode material is ionized and moves from layer to layer and inserted into the negative electrode. See the diagram. During the charging, lithium in positive electrode material is ionized and moves from layer to layer and inserted into the negative electrode. During discharge, lithium ions are dissociated from the anode and migrate across the electrolyte and are inserted into the crystal structure of the host compound of cathode. At the same time, the compensating electrons travel in the external circuit and are accepted by the host to balance the reaction. The process is completely reversible. Thus, the lithium ion passes back and forth between the electrodes during charging and discharging. Because of this reason, the lithium ion batteries are called rocking chair, that is swing cells. A typical lithium ion battery can store 150 watt hours of electricity in 1 kilogram of battery as compared to lead acid battery can store only 25 watt hours electricity in 1 kilogram. All rechargeable batteries suffer from self-discharge when stored or not in use. Normally, there will be a 3 to 5% of self-discharge in lithium-ion batteries for 30 days of storage. Advantages of lithium-ion batteries. They have high energy density than other rechargeable batteries. They are less weight. They produce high voltage out about 4 volt as compared with other batteries. They have improved safety, that is more resistance to overcharge. No liquid electrolyte means they are immune from leaking. Fast charge and discharge rate. They are the advantages of lithium ion battery. There will be some drawbacks. They are very expensive. They are not available in standard cell types. Then applications of lithium ion batteries. The lithium ion batteries are used in camera, calculators, smartphones and most of the consumer electronic devices. They are used in cardiac pacemakers and other implantable devices. Now recently it is most used in electric vehicles. Because of their lightweight, lithium-ion batteries are used for propelling a wide range of electric vehicles such as aircraft, electric car, pedelecs, hybrid vehicles, advanced electric wheelchairs, radio-controlled models, model aircraft and the Mars Curiosity rover. And they are used in power tools, that is lithium-ion batteries are used in tools such as cordless drills, sanders, saws and a variety of garden equipment including rippers, nippers and hedge trimmers. The Tesla Model X car using the lithium-ion battery. The Tesla Motors including is an American automotive and energy storage company that designs, manufactures and sells electric cars, electric vehicle powertrain components and